Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Corner with Mali sir. Today we are going to learn 1.3 from 9th standard. Hope is Thing with the Feathers, written by American poetess Emily Dickinson. Before learning this poem, let's understand the background of the poem. Emily Dickinson was an American poetess. In her life, she was very alone. So, her many poems have the theme of hope as the content of the poem. In this poem, poetess Emily Dickinson trying to say that hope is the beam or rays of light that survives the life of every person. This poem tells us that hope is very important in everyone's life. The title of the poem is The Best Example of Metaphor. Here, poet compared the word hope with feathers directly. Feather means a bird and hope means human power or human quality. It is denotes the bird. It is means hope is doing action like a human. So the poet used personification here. Hope is a thing with a feather. ही कविता अमेरिकन कवयित्री एमिली डिकिन्सन या कवयित्रीने लिहिलेली आहे. तिच्या आयुष्यामध्ये ती खूप एकटी व एकाकी जीवन जगली. त्यामुळे तिच्या बहुतांश कविता या होप या आशयावरच आधारित आहेत. या कवितेमधून कवयित्री एमिली डिकिन्सन सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात की आशा ही एखाद्या काळोखामध्ये आलेल्या सूर्यप्रकाशाच्या किरणाप्रमाणे असते आणि निराशेच्या अंधारात अडकलेल्या, खचलेल्या व बुडालेल्या मनाला जीवन जगण्याची नवी उमेद देत असते. या कवितेतून प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यामध्ये आशा किती महत्त्वाची असते हे कवयित्री येथे पटवून देत आहेत. या कवितेचे शीर्षक हे रूपक मेटॅफर या अलंकाराचे उदाहरण आहे. प्रस्तुत कवितेत कवीने आशा ही पंखासारखी आहे असे म्हटले आहे. पंख ज्याप्रमाणे अलगद हवेमध्ये तरंगत असतात त्याप्रमाणे आशा प्रत्येकाच्या मनात तरंगत असते. येथे पंख म्हणजे पक्षी व आशा म्हणजे प्रत्येक मानवी मनाची अद्भुत शक्ती की जी प्रत्येक अवघड, कठीण व भयानक संकटातही निराश झालेल्या मनाला जीवन जगण्याची नवी उमेद देत असते. लेट्स रीड पोएम लाइन बाय लाइन. Hope is a thing with the feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Explanation. First of all, I would like to mention here that in this poem, every line poet has given dash. Purpose of this dash is to understand the deep meaning of the poem, which poet wants to convey here. So, while reading this poem, if you take a little pause at the place of dash, you will understand this poem better. Here, poetess Emily Dickinson describes hope as a bird. It is not a bird that stays on the tree. It is a hope of bird and it lives in every human being's heart. This bird has feathers. Further, she says, the hope bird has his own song, but it has no words. It sings song at any condition, any atmosphere, and it never stops its singing. That singing means encouraging every human being. Let's read the second stanza. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. Explanation. In the second stanza, poetess Emily Dickinson says that hope bird sings sweetest song. When a person is in a great trouble, when life is hard and things go wrong and pressure is more, at that situation, hope of a bird gives a positive message to encourage everyone's life. This song can only be heard in a toughest time. When the storm, it means difficulties come for testing our faith and things do not go as our wish and makes person disappointed. Hope help us to wait for the happy time. Let's read the third stanza. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. Explanation. In the last stanza, poetess tells us that she had heard the song of hope in the chillest land and on the strangest sea. Here, the chillest land means not a Kashmir or any polar region, but difficult situation or bad time of life. Both chillest land and the strangest sea describes the worst condition in human life. Further, poetess says that hope is so selfless that it never asks anything in return, not even a crumb, that is a piece of bread. कवितेचं नाव आहे आशा पंखरूपी पक्षी. आशा हे पंखरूपी पक्षी असतो बसलेला मनात प्रत्येकाच्याच आत्म्यात. गात असतो अविरत शब्दविरहित गीत आणि असतो देत मनाला उमेदीची जीत. ऐकवत असतो सुमधुर गीत प्रचंड जोराच्या वादळातही आणि देत असतो मधुरता भावनेच्या कल्लोळात आणि अतीव वेदनेतही. नाही करू शकत कोणी त्याला अस्वस्थ, ज्याने घातलाय सर्वांच्याच मनात उमेदीची गस्त. अति भयानक व स्मशान शांततेत सुद्धा मी ऐकतोय त्याचे गीत आणि सोबत करतो भयान अपरिचित परिस्थितीची. नाही थांबवत खचवत कधीही गंभीर आणि अवघड परिस्थितीतही, बदल्यात नाही करत अपेक्षा अल्पशा कणभराचीही. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will get more notification about my new videos.